Welcome to Rare Shikshan Samstha's Western Region English Medium School video series Standard 7 Subject General Science Lesson number 9 Heat and video number 17. In this video we can learn the transfer of heat and modes of heat transfer. First one is conduction, second one is convection and third one is radiation. To see that we take some activities. So heat transfers means the sun's heat has many effects and uses. How does the solar heat reach to the earth? Why does the heat in the water heated to boiling slowly decreases once it is taken off the flame? Where does heat go? The moisture in the air cool down due to the ice cubes in the glass and collect on outside to the glass. The thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the substance. We have already studied the changes in the state of the matter. Then transfer of heat. We take hot object in the vicinity of the cold one. The cold object become warm and hot one become cooler. From this we can infer that heat is transferred from hot body to cold body. So modes of transfer, first one is conduction. To see the conduction we can detect one activity, and the procedure of this activity is that take stainless steel, copper and aluminum bars each of 30 cm long and having same shape. Apply wax spot with the help of candle at a distance 2 cm from each other on all three bars. Stick a pin in each of this spot so that it's upright. Now insert the end of all three bars into the flame at the same time and now observe for a while. So you see that pins fall starting from end near to the burner. It means that transfer of heat takes place from the hot end of the bar to the cold end. This transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cold part is called as conduction of heat. The pins on the copper bar start falling first. The pins on the steel bar fall comparatively late. Heat is conducted quickly through the copper. Conduction of heat through the substance depend upon property of that substance. That conduction of heat takes place through solid substance shows that medium is required for conduction of heat. Then convection. And procedure of experiment is that take some water in a beaker, heat the beaker slowly on a gas burner, drop few crystals of potassium permanganate into the water. Now wash the water in the beaker carefully. So you see that streams of water going upward and coming back to the bottom due to the potassium permanganate. This magnetocolor stream can be identified easily. When heating began, the water near the bottom become warm and density decreases. As a result, it moves upward and replaces the cold water coming from above. In the manner, heat is transferred by means of current called convection current. This process is called as convection of heat. Then one activity, take some water in a test tube, wrap the piece of the ice in wire gauze and drop it in a test tube. It will sink to the bottom. Now using the test tube holder, hold the test tube at the slant as shown in the figure. Heat the upper part of the test tube and stop heating when water start boiling. Observe the piece of the ice at the bottom. The heat does not reach to the bottom even though upper part heated. How does this happen? Because the density of the water decreases due to the heating. Therefore it cannot sink and process of convection does not occur. Then third one is radiation. Light a candle and stand it upright. Hold your hand on its two sides at the same distance from the candle. Bring them closer. What do you feel? How do you warm yourself near the bonfire or morning sun in winter? The sun is millions kilometers away from us. There is no air between sun and earth. And earth atmosphere is the only thin layer of the air close to the earth. Then how does the heat of the sun reach to us? This heat is transferred in the absence of medium. The transfer of heat takes place in this way without medium is called as radiation. In two examples above, heat reaches us mainly by the radiation. And the wonder of the science of heat radiation is that the radiation of the heat takes place from many objects in nature such as trees, mountains, stones and roads. A camera has been developed which is used to this radiation to make our surrounding visible at the night is called as infrared camera. Using this camera, it is possible to keep watch on the movement of the enemy during the nights. So heat radiation, the transfer of heat takes place in this way without medium is called as radiation of the heat. These are the example of the heat radiation. So today we can learn the heat transfer, how the sun's heat reach to the earth, and the transfer mode of the heat. First one is conduction, second one is convection, and third one is radiation. So please like, subscribe. Thank you very much.